Come out to the Ramblers Retreat for a quick walk. Just had a cappuccino and the biggest lemon meringue I've ever seen in my life. Well, he's in there now, just visiting La Toilette. And it's cloudy, but they forecast it staying dry, so we're going to go for a walk and go look for the Bluebells. So yeah, nice day. It's not as warm as last weekend. It's about 12-13 degrees. It's pleasant enough. Going to get some VR footage of the Bluebells, hopefully, if they're out. They should be out this time of year. We'll have a wander in the woods. Yeah, really enjoying the weather. So yeah, Dimmingsdale. Done a couple of videos here over the years. Did my very first 360 footage with my LG here. Riding motorbikes and quad bikes here can cost you more than a fine. Can you go back up? That's the question.
Oh no.
I wouldn't even be able to come down these days, mate. And the river's really in fast flow from all that rain yesterday. Really quite full. Right, there's a full river. Yeah, there'll be, if we go onto the path along here, there'll be more. Oh yeah. Yeah, I would. Only been once. Yeah, Bluebells are out, look. Go horse riding.
Would you? They were just like a one-off, not like a... Mum, sit down. Is there a big bridge up here?
We're going over one now. There's no big bridges. Yeah. Yeah. Echo. Yeah.
Oh, you can smell it.
Wow. Rub that.
Oh gosh, yeah.
You can actually eat this. You can get it and take it for salads.
This is what taco is. It's like garden
What
dollars.
is it?
Wow, it is.
Should we take some? Stop it in the...
Oh, there's bluebells here amongst the wild garlic as well.
Can I try it?
Wow, the river's really fast here.
Can I feel it? See if it's cold. Can I feel it? Is that clay?
Be careful, you'll slip. Look at that there. Imagine getting down that in your boat.
I think that's fall out.
Imagine that. This normally is all you can walk across here. The river's normally across there, look. All this has burst its bank, come all the way up. Bluebells on the bank. Lots of bluebells. That's what we've come for. Get some pictures of the bluebells. Such a pretty little flower. Shit. Masses and masses of bluebells. Bunny holes in the banks. We've just seen lots of bunnies. Bunnies and bluebells. Bunnies and bluebells. Oh yeah, at the top of the bank.
And here, look. There.
They're coming out, aren't they, because it's early evening.
Between the branches here. Right there.
Can't see it.
Right on the edge.
Oh, there's a bumblebee on this one. On the bluebells. There's the bumblebee. Getting the pollen. We've just heard a woodpecker, if you listen carefully. It's up here somewhere. Just stop him, man. It is a woodpecker, isn't it? I know the only, is it jackdaws make a knocking noise? We're just hearing a woodpecker in the woods. Be nice to see a kingfisher by the river. Right, I've done my 360 photos of the bluebells and the wild garlic. We're heading off back to the car now. Been a nice walk. Willie's dancing around like a mad one as normal. Hopefully you've enjoyed our little jaunt out. You know, I like sharing our travels. Over 500 subscribers now, 505 as of this morning, which is brilliant, so thank you very much. And always, until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.